let's see what my theme is for today. It's all yellow. Oh, that girl has a butter. Let's see if she wants to trade. Hi.
Hi.
What's your theme?
My theme is all Smushers.
Oh, perfect. My theme is yellow. Do you think we could trade?
Oh yes. Okay. I'll have this butter. Okay. I'll accept.
I'll accept it.
Yay! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, will you trade me?
Yeah, my theme is all Neatos today.
Okay, I have this blue Nito.
Ooh, what's your theme?
Smushers.
Ooh, I have one Smusher right here. But
Do you need me to add?
yeah, I could probably use some.
Okay,
myself.
I'll add this cake.
Ooh,
I really need this, so please accept.
Okay, accept.
Accept. Thank you so much. Now I have my collection. Okay, let's go to the scanner. Okay, let's see. Is it going to scan in? Yes, I did it. I got all the Smushers.
Okay, guys, I need all Neatos, so let me trade her. She has 2 of the Neatos. That'll finish it. Hi, I need a trade for your 2 Neatos. Can I add? Okay, I have this cake Neato. What's your theme today? It is yellow. Oh, do you mind if I throw these in? Oh, this counts as yellow. So, I mean, I don't care. Do you mind if I throw these in? Yeah. Okay. I'll accept. I'll accept. Yay! I'm going to go to the scanner. Oh, thank you. All right, let me scan. Oh, wait, I need to take these ones out. Those ones don't count because they're cheap.
Dun, 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 dun. You accept. Dun, 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 dun. Accept. Thanks for watching.